Let me reveal to you the best plants to have inside on a north-facing window. First of all, what makes a north-facing window any different to the rest of them in the house? Well, this is my north-facing window here, and over the far side there, the south-facing window, it gets sun all day. The east windows, they get it in the morning, and the west, they get them later on in the day. But this windowsill here doesn't get any direct sunlight. However, there are some plants that grow better on these windowsills than others. Now, light is very important because the plant needs it to combine with water and carbon dioxide to produce energy through a process called photosynthesis. And some plants have greener leaves and a greater ability to photosynthesize in less lit areas. So if you've got a north-facing window, let me show you some plants that'll perform really well. First up, this little philodendron here. Now normally they're green. You can get different colours with them. Some of them are like burgundy underside of the leaf, green top. But I love this one. It looks like a little sunset colour. Look, the underside of the leaves there are pink as they're quite juvenile. And look on the side there, they're changing colour into green. And then when they fully mature into green, they've got a little red tip. It's a beautiful looking plant and ideal for north-facing windowsills. And you can do so much with it because it's a creeper. You can either have it on the side to cascade down the front. You can hang it to the ceiling in macrame to have it as a trailing plant, or you can put a moss pole in it and it will creep up. It gives you a lot of different design options with one type of plant. It's a philodendron. If you're looking for something more traditional, the rubber plant is perfect for a north-facing windowsill. If it starts to grow too big and too tall, you can take the top out and it will then start to form branches lower down. And by taking the tips out of those, it'll become more bushy. The secret with any rubber plant or any plant in low light areas is to give them a wipe. Now use your palm and the central finger to support the midrib just there, and then wipe. And that way you clean the leaf of all the dust so it can take in more light. It's quite therapeutic too, just to do each individual leaf. It's a bit of mindfulness. So a rubber plant is another favourite. Next up, it's one of my favourite house plants here. It's been with me, this particular mother-in-law's tongue, or Sansivieria, for years. But it comes with me on different garden talks that I do. So it's rolled around in the boot. And when I come home, it comes home in its position on this north-facing windowsill. But it's a tough plant. It's an easy house plant to grow as long as you don't let it sit in water. It originates in Africa from the Congo right the way through to Nigeria in very poor soil, some cases no food. So when it's pampered on a windowsill, it performs particularly well. And now the peace lily, Spathiphyllum. They do very well on a north-facing window. South-facing windows in full sun can scorch the foliage and turn these coloured spaces here yellow rather than pure white. But a north-facing window has plenty of natural light, but not direct sunlight. Sometimes if they're in a very dark area, they stop flowering. But here, where I've got quite a bit of bright light coming through, but not direct sunlight, they perform particularly well. And there are many other varieties that are ideal for north-facing windowsills. Pothos, that's a very good low-light houseplant. The ZZ plant, now this is a very tough houseplant with beautiful emerald green foliage. Calathea, spider plant, this plant can grow anywhere. Bird's nest fern, asplenians are really nice on windowsills, particularly if you've got a north-face windowsill in a bathroom because it likes the humidity. And the Kentia palm, another performer in low-light areas. So there you have it. Many different varieties of plant that are ideal for positioning on a north-facing windowsill. Most of the windowsills in your home can feature plants, not only to look good, but also to pump out fresh oxygen and also clean toxins in the air. Plants keep us calm and amaze and bring nature indoors. Thanks for watching, and also a big thanks to our video sponsor, Everest. For more information about Everest, visit their website, everest.co.uk. If you like this video, please just take a moment to press the thumbs up and share it with a friend who likes houseplants. Plus, you can also subscribe to my channel for more great content like this, and if you turn on your notifications, I'll let you know when a new video comes about.